If your LG top load washer doesn't drain, or if the tub drains but growls or makes this noise, was that a howl? You may need a new drain pump, the pump is blocked, or something's just lodged in there, like a piece of zipper. To access the pump, you'll need to unplug the machine, turn off the water, disconnect the water supply lines, open the back panel, remove the tub to pump hose. Yeah, that happened. Take out a few screws, depress a clip, detach the drain hose, and unclip the power cable. Then you can remove the pump, clear any obstruction, or if the pump is damaged, replace it with a new one. To learn how to make the repair, what tools are required, where to get replacement parts, and some other tips, check out my video, How to Replace the Drain Pump of an LG Top Load Washing Machine model WT7300CW. And we can do it together step by step. That noise is insufferable.